Hello, welcome. Today we're just going to quickly talk about the Waterway's Executive Euro pump range. And I've got two fine examples in front of me here today. The reason why Waterways have been a very popular pump over the years is because they are a quality pump and do go the distance. This video is just going to quickly give you a brief overview of all the different things, the sizes to watch out for, but the Executive Euro range comes from a 2 to 2.5 to even a 3 horsepower. They're available in single speed and 2-speed, so please do watch our other videos if you need help identifying whether you have a single speed or a 2-speed pump. But you'll see here, I've got these two examples. One is a 2x2 wet end, which you can see by the fact that the suction and the discharge are the same. And one of Waterway's most common trip-up points when you're replacing your pump is whether or not you've got a 2x2 or a 2.5x2. And you'll see on this example, we've actually got a bigger thread size on the suction. If you quickly want to measure them to work out what you've got, if it's 2x2, it should be 79 by 79 mil OD. If it's a 2.5, it's 93 mil by 79 mil. But you can generally see by looking at them. This is the newer, or the newest Waterways pump edition, which you'll notice that the actual motor's shape is slightly different to that of the older style, but still direct placements, still work in exactly the same way. You'll always identify it with a nice blue label on the top with all of the information, so look there first if you need to replace it. Typical characteristics of a Waterways pump is they'll always have a sticker on the top identifying part number for the wet end, which we do sell all the wet ends separately as spare parts should you need it. You'll notice that they don't come with cables, and also, which again we sell separately, or you can swap from your old pump. But in the old style to new style, you'll notice that the cable connection is in a slightly different orientation, and actually the newer one's got a bit more space in the lid to make that connection, so quite a handy thing. Virtually the same size, same size dimensions. Please do check the website for the specifics. Put the part numbers in, you should find on the exact model you need. Failing that, any questions, do get in touch. Thanks for watching.